Hello mga motorista and welcome to another episode of Motorista Adventures. For today's video, we have here the Geely GX3 Pro Comfort. This is their top of the line model, no? So, yung si GX3 Pro, dalawa lang yung kanilang mga model lineup for this sasakyan na ni-release nila. So, this new model nila is basically meron tayong S variant and meron din tayong Comfort variant. So, yung andito sa harap natin is yung Comfort variant, which is their top of the line model na din. So yung transmission nito is CVT na instead of manual transmission. Meron silang manual transmission nito, which is the base model or the entry level model nila, 5-speed manual. So today tignan natin yung specs, features and everything that you need to know about this all new Geely GX3 Pro. Simulan na natin mga motorista. Let's start. So mga motorista, simulan natin yung ating exterior features ng ating GX3 Pro Comfort. And as you can see mga motorista, napakaganda din ng design nitong ating small crossover SUV. More of that econo car na pwede mong dalhin everyday mga motorista because it's small and medyo lifted siya ng konti than a typical sedan. So yung ating GX3 Pro, tignan nyo naman yung design sa harap, no? It is that Geely fascia sa kanilang family face and also the grille itself, no, Geely na Geely siya. So kita nyo din dito, meron siyang eyeline mga motorista, and of course, so kita nyo mga motorista, meron tayong projector type halogen na headlight, and then also yung ating high beam is halogen din. And also sa ilalim, yung DRLs natin is located there. Wala tayong front fog light. Wala din tayong front sensors for this model. Now, let's talk about the pricing sa ating top of the line Comfort na GX3 Pro. 928,000 dito sa Cagayan de Oro mga motorista. Kasama na doon yung unit price and then freight, na meron pang additional freight pagdating dito sa Cagayan de Oro kasi binabarko nila to from Luzon mga motorista. So meron din tayong lower model here, it's 828, so 100k difference from the S model to this top of the line Comfort model. Yun yung 5-speed model na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Let's move on to the side, no. Kita nyo din na meron siyang pagka hatchback na design mga motorista. And yung ground clearance nito is 185mm. Not bad for a small crossover na sa city mo lang siya gagamitin. And one thing that I really like is the mag wheels nito. Napakagandang tignan. Tignan na naman yung kanyang design. Gunmetal finish. Ventilated disc harap. Let's take a closer look, no? So, meron tayong tire na gamit nila is Triangle. Advantex Eco yung kanyang model number. 205/60 R16. Naka McPherson struts tayo dito sa harap, typical sa mga crossover SUV. And then here naman mga motorista, you have your character line, no? Meron tayong wheel arch dito, naka bulging, and then character line papunta yan sa likuran. And yung ating side mirrors is typical Geely side mirrors na carbon fiber-ish yung kanyang design, parang kinuha nila sa Coolray. Meron din tayong turn signal lights repeaters here. Yung ating doors is same lang color sa body and meron siyang smart entry and engine push to start na din siya. Sa ilalim naman natin, meron din tayong mga plastic carbon fiber na finishing, which is really nice. And sa likuran naman, disc brake siya sa likod, no? For a small crossover, naka-disc brake na din siya. That's really, really good. So, let's move on to the back. Wala tayong masyadong overhangs dito mga motorista, no? Tignan naman yung gap sa rear bumper natin. And then, meron din tayong reflector dito sa likuran na parang parehas siya ng design sa harapan. Meron tayong rear fog light here. Which is not typical sa mga ganitong model ng sasakyan, especially on the Japanese brand side. Ito meron na siyang rear fog light. And another thing that I really do like sa ating Geely GX3 Pro is yung ating rear part, no? Mag-aggressive yung rear part niya. Hindi sila nagkulang sa design nito. And also meron tayong frosted type na LED na strip dun sa ating mga park lights, no? Yung brake lights natin is here, which is good kasi high up siya. Bulb type nito is turn signal lights, kita nyo naman, and yung reverse light natin. Meron na din tayong reverse camera included with the price, no, for this top of the line model, and tatlong sensors dito for parking. Now, sa ilalim na part ng GX3 Pro, yan, naka-torsion beam setup lang tayo like most of its competition. Na meron din tayong high mount stoplight here, no, na meron pa siyang design dito. Meron din tayong roof rail, pwede kang maglagay ng roof rack dyan, and I really like the design as well. So ngayon naman, let's move on to the engine. Let's take a look at the engine specs. Alright, so ito yung ating engine ng ating GX3 Pro. This is Geely's 1.2 liter 4-cylinder engine, double overhead cam, and also naka-dual variable valve timing na din siya. So So this engine is very quiet mga motorista. As you can see, kita nyo na din na diretso. Kita nyo yung makina, wala siyang mga cover. Yung airbox natin andito sa harap na located. Ito yung ating battery here. So 4-cylinder, so hindi siya ganun ka problema when it comes to vibration kasi very refined siya. Yung ating computer box is right here, no, right beside the battery, which is high up. Fuse box natin andito. So yung power nito and torque is 102 horsepower or 102 PS and 142 Newton meters of torque. Very decent from this type of engine, very decent in the class mga motorista. Especially yung class nito usually naka 3 cylinders lang. Ito 4 cylinder siya. Although I'm not so sure about the fuel consumption nito, pero I think it outweighs no the fuel consumption. Kung mas refined siya, mas okay siya kasi mas komportable siyang dalhin. And also, you can see right there sa ilalim is yung ating ABS na module. Yung brake master natin cylinder is andun siya sa ilalim ng part. Ito yung ating coolant reservoir. Meron din tayong mga sound deadening materials and usually hindi na pinipaint nila just to save some money, pero ito it's painted everything no, dito sa ilalim na part. That's really good. So ayan yung engine natin, mated to a CVT transmission. Now let's move on to the interior. Let's take a look at what's in store for us there. Let's go. So mga motorista, ito pala yung susi ng ating Geely GX3 Pro. Maganda yung susi niya, very premium to hold. So meron tayong lock. Yeah. Unlock sa tailgate and then unlock sa buong doors. The Geely GX3 Pro Comfort, top of the line model, and yung interior niya mga motorista is very nice looking, very modern looking no, from Geely. And I do appreciate the mix of materials right here. Kita mo naman meron tayong mga gold finishes na plastic material here. You have this parang leather material na design, so hindi siya real leather, na plastic pa rin siya, pero meron siyang parang faux stitching dito. And then also you have your tweeter right here sa harap natin. And then meron pa tayong pass-through na glass area dito sa side, no, to make it easier for you to maneuver. And yung ating side mirrors naman, very easy lang to locate, very easy if you want to manually adjust it. Pero hindi mo na kailangan i-adjust kasi meron naman tayong electronic adjustment sa ating side mirrors. Hindi lang siya auto-folding mga motorista, no. And then meron tayong grab handles here or yung door opener natin. Meron din tayong mga power windows, no. So auto up and down sa driver, manual up and down toggles sa passenger side. Lock, unlock, ito, and then window lock button natin. Meron tayong lalagyan here sa mga bottles and other things that you might bring. And then meron tayong speakers dito sa ilalim. So again, dalawa lang yung ating pedals kasi automatic transmission naman siya. Meron din tayong ano dito, footrest, no. Dito naman tayo sa steering wheel. Yung steering wheel natin is parang synthetic leather siya, and then stitching siya na merong red dito. Okay, and then ito yung horn natin na sound. Yan yung horn natin. And then meron tayong cruise control, which is good. And then on the other side naman is yung ating call button, mute button, next button. And then meron tayong mga modes here, no, dun sa ating screen. Now before we talk about that infotainment system, dito muna tayo sa ating gauges. We have here very traditional gauges. Kita nyo naman, meron tayong analog display sa ating RPM, and then analog din sa ating speedometer. Meron tayong MID or multi-information display dito sa harap natin. And in order for you to change that mode, you just have to press this button. Very simple lang talaga siya. You have your clock, you have your temperature gauge, fuel gauge, and your average fuel consumption. Liter per 100 siya nakalagay. And then trip A, trip B, ayan. So 118 yung ating distance to empty. Meron tayong indicator sa ating transmission, and then yung odometer natin is 28 kilometers. Okay? So ayan yung ating instrument panel. Now sa atin namang dito sa side sa ating stocks is automatic on off yung headlights natin. Meron tayong switch sa rear fog light, pero wala tayong front fog lights. Rear fog lights lang to na switch, itong part na to. Sa kabilang side naman, intermittent wipers, and also meron siyang time adjust na depende kung gaano kalakas yung ulan, i-set nyo din depende sa gusto ninyo. Meron din tayong rear wipers and rear defoggers as well. Now yung ating steering wheel, it is tilt, not telescope though, it's fine. in the price point, no, that this is going for. And then dito naman din sa ating screen, this is an 8-inch display. Akala mo 10-inch siya pero 8-inch lang siya. Meron tayong malalaking bezels on both sides, no. Located din yung ating mga buttons right here. I wish na physical buttons na lang siya, but hey, that's what we get. Capacitive buttons here. So meron tayong power, telephone, mode, back, yung ating home button which is the Geely logo, volume up, volume down, and mute button. So yung ating screen is a good 720p naman display. Very competitive din sa ating segment. Wala tayong CarPlay, wala tayong Android Auto. Geely has yet to provide, no, an infotainment system that has smartphone integration, but I think merong way, no, para makuha mo yon. Just parang aftermarket na siya, or parang kailangan mo siyang i-modify some sort. Pero ayan, multimedia phone, video, photo, settings, and easy connection for your smartphone, no? Okay, and then Bluetooth, USB, kompleto naman siya sa mga ganon. And also, you can also find your vehicle settings right here. Ayan, so adjustment sa HVAC, sa system, sa manual natin. Okay, ayan, meron siya mga QR codes. Another thing that I appreciate is malalaki yung air vents natin, mga motorista, no? So yung buga ng hangin, malakas naman siya. And then yung ating minimalist yung ating design dito sa ilalim ng ating vents. So meron tayong engine start stop button, yung hazard button natin, yung ating AC na cooling and heating switch, and then fan natin. So both ways naman siya na nakiklik. If you want to adjust pataas or pababa mo siya ikiklik. Meron tayong AC on and off, recirculation on and off, and then your ating defoggers natin. So meron tayong hawakan here, no, for the passenger side. You have 12-volt accessory outlet, and then USB. Wala tayong wireless charger. This is for the key. You can charge the key right here. And then yung ating shifter is typical na design sa Geely natin. Meron tayong park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Ayan. So naka-drive tayo ngayon. And then kung gusto mo yung manual mode, ayan, meron siyang simulated gears, mga motorista, no? But CVT siya. So meron tayong mga bottle holders here, traditional handbrake, no? Ayan, and then you have here your center console na leather. I think this is kind of real leather na dito. And then meron siyang red stitching. So yung lalim naman ng natin, ayan, napakalalim pala ng ating dito, storage area here. And wala lang tayong ports. No, that's fine. So airbag for the driver, airbag for the passenger side, but I think that's about it. Dalawang airbags lang siya. So bubuksan natin yung ating compartment. Let's take a look at. Meron kang parang lalagyan sa manual mo. Ayan, you have your Geely na warranty booklet. Ayan, ito yung manual ng ating GX3 Pro. Malaki yung ating manual, pero again, mas maliit na to kaysa mga manual noon, no, kung bago yung mga sasakyan, no. Alright, so ayan, sa taas naman na part, we have here your dome lights, which is LED, which is, I think, a very nice touch. And then here you have day and night rear view mirror. As expected, medyo hindi siya ganun ka high quality yung ating mga rear view mirror, no. Usually sa mga types ng mga sasakyan at this price point, ganun talaga. But yeah, you can also see here na meron tayong vanity mirror on the other side as well. So pagdating dito, one thing that I really appreciate, na for 900,000 pesos you get a sunroof dito, mga motorista. So you can open it to make the interior a little bit more airy and very para maaliwalas siya. So you can also open it up. Ayan, you have seat belts and seat belts also here. So ayan, mga motorista, yung harapan ng ating GX3 Pro, in my opinion, napakagandang design for the price, no? For less than 1 million pesos. So ngayon naman, let's move on to the back. Let's take a look at the space sa likuran. But first, adjust muna natin yung seat natin. By the way, these seats are leather. Okay, I really like that. And then leather din yung ating mga armrest, no, on the doors. And 6-way adjustable siya. Meron siyang height adjustment. And also here, meron tayong mga coin holder dito. So ngayon, let's move on to the back of the GX3 Pro. Pasok tayo sa loob. Okay, so as expected, no, the space here is very decent naman, but not the best in my opinion. Actually, comfortable na ako dun sa seating position ko na yon, but I think you can still move forward pa, of course. So, ayan, yung ating space here, decent naman. Tow room is very good. Tumatama lang yung mga shins ko dito. Wala tayong aircon vents dito sa likod, so you have to make sure na malakas yung vents mo pag meron kang passenger. And then meron tayong mga old style na USB dito sa likuran na part. At least we get USB, di ba? And then meron tayong lalagyan ng mga gamit here. Wala tayong center na na hump dito, no? I mean, meron pero sobrang liit lang. Negligible. Wala tayong armrest. Meron tayong headrest for the passenger dito sa likuran. Ito yung ating head space, mga motorista. Okay, so a lot taller than me will have a problem with clearance. So dito sa center naman, yan, very comfortable actually dito sa center part ng ating GX3 Pro. Okay, so merong seat belts, no, lahat ng passenger, which is a big thumbs up. And let's open the tailgate. Tignan natin. Okay, mga motorista, so hindi siya power tailgate as expected, of course. So one thing that I noticed right now, na medyo malalim siya, no. So once you carry items, although hindi siya magpo-protrude kasi malalim yung ating boot space, kaso lang kailangan mo siyang iakyat pa. And meron tayong malalagyan here, malalagyan here. Ito yung ating mga tool na kasama sa ating GX3 Pro. And meron tayong donut na spare tire. So 125/80, 16 lang yan. Now aside from that, meron din tayong meron tayong maliit na tonneau cover here. And yeah, that's about it, mga motorista, no, dito sa likuran ni Geely. So tingnan natin yung ating reverse camera, no. Yan. So ito yung reverse camera natin. Hindi siya high definition na camera dito sa likuran, pero meron na siyang movable guidelines, and I think it's pretty accurate as well. One thing lang is that camera natin is parang nagka-cut off lang siya dito sa mga kanto niya. Hindi included yung ating mga sides, no. So again, you still have to use your mirrors in order to park this thing like any other car. Yan yung ating reverse camera ni GX3 Pro. So ngayon naman, mga motorista, let's take a look at the basic safety features na itong Geely na top of the line GX3 Pro natin, Comfort. So meron tayong ABS, EBD, traction control, stability control, meron din tayong hill start assist. So that is all ties into the nature of this small SUV, which is practicality, mga motorista, daily driving. And also, one thing na big plus sa kanya in the segment is that it is a 4-cylinder. It's very smooth dito sa loob. Wala talagang vibration akong nararamdaman. This is the Geely GX3 Pro. What do you think sa kanya? Is it worth for 928,000 pesos? Definitely, in my opinion, no. When it comes to the competition, it undercuts the Japanese manufacturer when it comes to specs and features wise. But yeah, you just have to choose kung ano talaga yung priority niyo. If you're looking for a small crossover SUV, definitely take a look at the Geely GX3 Pro, and also give it a test drive. Dito sa CDO sa Geely Cagayan de Oro is meron silang test drive unit. So if you're from Mindanao, you can come here, test drive it. If you want it, go buy it. So ayan, mga motorista, once again, this is Adrian. You are watching Motorista Adventures. And like and follow our Facebook page as well, and also this YouTube channel. Maraming salamat, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.